It's called high velocity, low amplitude. So it's about the speed. So you get to the point where it's stuck, and then you just do what it should be doing, right? It should be turning more. So you do that same movement, but just really fast. It brings you back to normal, right? So we're looking at all the joints in your spine, and some of them are moving well, and some of them get stuck. So we're not trying to move them more, we're just trying to bring them back to normal range of motion. So what that sound is when we bring back movement to the joint, there's a dramatic decrease in pressure. And when there's that much of a decrease in pressure, your joints actually fill with gas.